Imagine if your dad gave birth to you. No, not in a metaphorical or emotional support kind of way. We are talking actual labor, contraction, baby delivery, and style labor. Now imagine he gave birth 100 of you all at once. Sounds like something out of strange underwater sci-fi movie, right? Well, welcome to the world of seahorse where male do what almost no other species in the animal kingdom dare to do. They carry the pregnancy and give birth. But before we dive into this underwater role reversal, let's back up a bit. Because to understand why this happened, we first need to meet the star of our story. The seahorse is a quite frankly a biological weirdo. It swims upright like a soldier, has a face like a tiny horse, and a tail like a monkey, and no stomach. But it has to eat constantly to survive. Relatable, right? Found in shallow, temperate, and tropical water from the coast of the US to the coral reef of Indonesia. Seahorse comes in all kind of varieties. They are shy, slow, and frankly, not the best swim. But beneath their delicate dream-like appearance lies one of the nature's boldest twists. And here comes our first big question. Why in the world would evolution hand the role of childbirth to the male? Well, that part gets even stranger. Seahorses are romantic. Once they found their match, they often pair for life, and their courtship is dance. It is a stuff of underwater fairy tales. Each morning, a bonded couple greets one another with a gracefully dance. They spin, they trill, their color brighten as they move on sails. But this isn't just about romance, it's about trust. Then something truly extraordinary happened. The female deposits up to 1500 eggs into a special pouch on the male belly. It's like teeny kangaroo pouch. But instead of carrying a joy, he growing hundred of miniature seahorse inside. He fertilizes the egg inside his pouch, seals them in, and began his pregnancy. And now the countdown began. For the next 2 to 4 weeks, this expectant father nurtures the developing babies. His pouch isn't just a sack, it's more like a womb. It regulates temperature, supplies oxygen, and even controls salinity level to prepare the babies for the open ocean. Sound familiar? That's because it's mirror what mammalian mothers do, except this time it's dad doing all the work. Now here a twist. Just when you think this is a peaceful pregnancy, things take a dramatic turn. Let me ask you this. Have you ever sneezed so hard that 2000 babies flew out of you? Yeah, me neither. But for a male seahorse, that's what labor literally looks like, and it's wild. When labor begins, the male body contorts and contracts. He jerks forward, muscle tightening, pushing wave after wave of teeny babies out of his pouch like an underwater popcorn machine. It can take minutes or hours. One by one, those perfectly formed miniature seahorses burst into the ocean, completely independent and ready to fend for themselves. But there the harsh truth. Less than 1% of them will survive. The ocean is a dangerous place, and while that done his part, their journey is only just beginning. So why? Nature hand off the job of childbearing to the male. Scientists believe it's about maximizing reproduction. While male carries one batch of babies, the female can start making more eggs. It's one of the rare cases in the nature where we see true biological co-parenting. And it flips everything we think we know about gender roles in the animal world. The male seahorse challenges our ideas about parenting, sacrifice, and survival. He shows us that nature isn't always what we expect, and that sometimes the most delicate creatures are the ones with the most strength. So, next time someone says that have it easy, just tell them about the seahorse. What a sight to see! The miracle of life from a seahorse. Nature is full of wonders like this. If you love discovering amazing creatures and unexpected moments, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.